We're going to look at some examples of esters. Esters are formed from carboxylic acid derivatives and alcohols. The OH group is replaced by ROR. So if you remember about carboxylic acids, we have the hydroxide on the end. Here we're going to continue with a carbon chain. When we're naming esters, the first part comes from the alcohol. It's a carbon chain connected to the O. So if you look at our first example, this part would come from an alcohol. We change that ending to YL. The second part comes from the carboxylic acid. It's a carbon chain connected to the double bonded carbonyl oxygen. Change the ending of the name from oic acid to O8. So if we look here, this comes from our carboxylic acid. So when we're naming this, we know that the first part of the name is going to come from the alcohol. 1, 2. I have ethyl. We put the YL to represent the small part. Or it could be any size, but just the part attached to just the oxygen. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is pent and O8. In this example, I have this side that came from the carboxylic acid. It's connected to my double bonded oxygen. And then this side that comes from my alcohol. So here I have 1, 2, 3. This is propyl. And what came from my carboxylic acid, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be butane O8. Okay, so here, this does not look right. We need an ester. We have 1, 2, 3. Here we go. So this part here, I can see it is longer than the other side, but this is coming from our alcohol. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, so this will be butyl. Then this side here, coming from our carboxylic acid, this is 1, 2, 3, so it will be propanoate. So butyl propanoate. That is how we name esters.